Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Google Play Store error no connection. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Google Play Store while downloading any app and you get error on the screen is no connection, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your settings, just tap on the settings. Here you need to find apps. You can see here apps, just tap on the apps, tap on the see all apps. Here you need to find Google Play Store. You can see here Google Play Store, just tap on the Google Play Store. Once you tap on the force stop, just tap on OK. After that you will find here storage and cache, just tap on that. Tap on the clear cache and tap on the clear storage. Before tapping OK, you have to make sure that you have remembered your Gmail user ID and password. If you know your Gmail ID and password, just tap on OK. After that, then go back and tap on the Google Play services. Once you tap on the force stop, tap on OK. After that, you will find your storage and cache. Just tap on that. Tap on the clear cache. After that, tap on the clear storage. Just tap on the clear all data, then go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then open your Chrome browser, then find here update Google Play Store. After typing download Google Play Store, you need to scroll down a little bit. Here you will find Google Play Store, download Google Play Store, just tap on that. After that you need to scroll down a little bit, you can see here download, just tap on the download button. After completion of this download, then go back, then again you need to type Google Play services, download. And to scroll down a little bit, you can see here download Google Play services, just tap on that and tap on the download. Guys, after downloading completion of this download, once you need to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Play Store error no connection. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.